How to convert multiple WAV files to MP3 in Audacity. Here I have 8 WAV files and I want to easily convert them to MP3 format. First, let's convert one file. Drag one of the WAV files into Audacity to import it. Now from File menu, select Export Audio. Set a name and location for the file and set format to MP3. Set other properties based on your needs and click on Export button. And now we have converted one WAV file to MP3 format. Now let's delete this track and convert multiple files. Drag and drop all the WAV files into Audacity. Now from File menu, select Export Audio. Set a location for the MP3 files and set format to MP3. Change MP3 properties based on your needs. Just make sure to check the multiple files option instead of entire project. You also can add numbering and prefix to the audio files, but I only want the original audio names. At last, click on Export button. And now we converted multiple WAV files to MP3 files. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.